Hey, I'm Jeff with ChartTrack Insights, and today I'm going to walk you through how to activate your installation. Depending on whether your computer is online, you've got two options: online or offline activation. For online activation, enter your IMO and MMSI numbers, then hit Check License. If everything checks out, you'll see a valid license from our ChartTrack servers. From there, click Activate. For offline activation, email support@charttrack.com. You'll get a CTPLIC file to download. Click it and choose Save As. Choose a location and click Save. Click the Browse button in Navigator Suite and locate the downloaded license, select it and click Open. If the license is valid, the license details will now be displayed on the screen. Click Activate. And that's it, you've successfully activated Navigator Suite.